What's going on YouTube? Matt Johnston coming at you guys with a quick video, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how you can make $50 to $1,000 just from creating slogans. But before we get into this video, please make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe, and hit the notification bell below because I'm going to be providing a tremendous amount of value to you guys on each one of my videos. And so yeah guys, the website I wanted to show you guys today is actually a super cool opportunity that you guys can earn a few $100s a month just from creating some simple slogans. And so this website is actually such a great opportunity that it was actually featured on CNBC. And guys, if you didn't know what CNBC is already, this is essentially one of the biggest broadcasting television shows that pretty much mention this opportunity on its website. So this is just a quick reinforcement of how legit this opportunity is. And so here's the website right here. It's called Slogan Slingers. And so essentially what this website's about is, you can see right here, a crowdsourcing site for ad slogans and taglines. When you come to our site, you're going to pay a fraction of the cost and turnaround time is going to be a lot quicker. Now, if you guys don't know how advertising slogans work already, essentially how it works is a company typically hires an ad agency to write their slogans for them, and the costs that go along with creating a successful slogan is usually around a few hundred to a couple $1,000s just to write a slogan for these companies. And so with this website called Slogan Slingers, this gives an opportunity for regular people like you and I to actually make these slogans and get paid a significant amount of money doing so. And so you guys can see right here, the process goes like this. A business fills out a creative brief with sloganslingers.com just as if they were working with a creative ad agency, right? So the next thing that happens is a registered slogan writer starts submitting ideas. So essentially when they have a listing to write these slogans, then as a writer, you're going to be able to submit your slogan depending on the niche that it's in. And you can see the reward if they choose your slogan is up to $900 per slogan, okay? And they actually pay even more than that depending on the listing on their website. And so the purpose behind building this website is actually for regular people to have the opportunity to get paid through Slogan Slingers without them having to hire an ad agency to actually do the work for them. And so you can see right here, normally a business would have to seek an ad agency and wait several weeks for one or two writers to provide ideas, which can typically cost several $1,000s. And so with a contest like this, it can generate 50 to 100 plus ideas within several days for several $100s that people can win. Okay, so pretty cool opportunity right here, and I'm going to show you guys the website right here. So let me scroll up really quick, and it's called Slogan Slingers. So here's the website right here, and you can see it was also featured on Entrepreneur Magazine, CNBC, Yahoo Finance, Killer Startups. And so I want to show you guys a little more in depth about this website really fast, just so you guys get a cool understanding of how this works. So you guys can see for users, you put up the prize amount. The minimum prize award is $50. Okay, that's just the starting price. The maximum prize you can win is up to $999 USD. And so you guys can see for writers, it's free to sign up as a writer to compete in a contest. If you're the contest winner, 15% of your winnings goes to cover Slogan Slingers. And so I want to show you guys kind of examples of what kind of slogans actually made money through this website, okay? And these are from different companies that paid people through this website and selected their slogans for their business, right? So you can see the business Zozo's Burger Bar shows this line: Picasso used a canvas, we use a bun. Legal Artworks used we help jurors draw conclusions. Baptist Vein Center, vein, go away. So all these simple slogans that people made a minimum amount of $50 to up to $1,000 just to make these slogans. And guys, to make these, all you really need is to have a little creativity. Again, you guys can have fun with this when you're making these slogans. You can see right here, Percy's Barbecue Buffet, all it literally did is use a slogan titled Live Life to the Fullest. This one used Kids Eatin' Free, Go Forth and Rock. So pretty cool opportunity you guys can leverage to actually make some money while having fun making these slogans. And this is the simple three-step process right here, right? You can start a contest. If you're a business, if you're a writer, then you can just enter this contest, and then slogans will start to pour in from different submissions. And then finally somebody wins, and then they get a cash prize directly sent to their PayPal. Okay, so I want to show you guys kind of the contests that they show on their website and how frequently they are. So you can see the last one was just 2 weeks ago, and the winner won $250 just to make a slogan, guys, okay? And you can see right here, the next one was a week before that, and the winner won $350. So it's pretty large amounts of money that people win to make these slogans, right? The least amount right here is $90. There's one for $75. If we go to the second page, here's a winner that won the $1,000. So make sure you guys keep an eye out for these contests on the Slogan Slinger, because it looks like they hold these contests frequently. So this was just a cool and fun opportunity I want to show you guys to make money online just for creating some creative slogans. So really hope you guys enjoyed this video today. Please make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe for more future videos. And yeah guys, take care.